Hey guys, I'm Sunita and I welcome you on my channel Lovable Plants. In today's video, I'll show you this exotic, rare and beautiful indoor plant which is known as Arrowroot Variegata plant. This plant has many other names such as Maranta Variegata, West Indian Arrowroot Variegata, Obedience Plant Variegata, Bermuda Arrowroot Variegata, etc. It is a beautiful herb that you can enjoy at home or in the garden. Arrowroot Variegata leaves are simple but incredibly elegant since they can also be green or variegated. I have variegated variety of this plant. As you can see, it has two colored leaves. They are having green and light yellow colors. This plant is very popular due to its attractive foliage. This plant originates from Amazon tropical forest. So this plant likes a tropical climate. You can grow this plant easily if the climate in your region is tropical. The house plant feels most comfortable at a temperature between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. However, the temperature must not fall below the 15 degrees Celsius mark because the arrowroot is not resistant to these temperature fluctuations. You can place this plant in a bright room away from drafts and with high humidity. You need to protect this plant from direct sun and deep winter when the temperature goes down below 15 degrees Celsius by maintaining a higher temperature in the room. This plant likes well-drained potting soil. You need to add perlite in organic matter and light soil to create a potting mix for this plant. The frequency of water will depend a lot on the location and the characteristics of the climate. For example, if it is kept indoors, it will be necessary to water considerably less than if it was kept outside. Since indoors, the soil takes longer to dry. Arrowroot must neither dry out nor be poured too much, as the plant is very sensitive and cannot tolerate this. So to avoid problems, it is highly advisable to check the humidity of the soil before watering. With a digital meter like this or a stick, or weighing the pot once watered and again after a few days. You can see my plant is fully wet as I watered this yesterday only. This plant must be fertilized on monthly basis with an organic fertilizer following the indications specified on the packaging from early spring to late summer. You can do the repotting of this plant if you have it in a pot. You can move it to a larger one if you see that roots are coming out from the drainage holes. Or it has been a long time, like 2 years or so, since you have repotted this plant. You can do the repotting when the risk of frost has passed and spring has started. Arrowroot has a rhizomatous root system. It is relatively easy to get new specimen of the same plant. If you have it in a pot, remove it and with the help of disinfected serrated knife, divide the plant into 2 or 3 depending on its size. Since their foliage is so beautiful, so pruning is not required for this plant. However, you need to clean the plant regularly by removing dead leaves. This plant is sensitive to get attacked by red spiders and to the mealybugs. They both love hot, dry environments, so one way to prevent them is by keeping moisture around the plant, either with humidifiers or placing it on a pebble tray filled with water. Though you can cook the root itself, arrowroot is most frequently consumed as a powder. Arrowroot powder is frequently used as a thickening agent in food or a gluten-free replacement for wheat flour. Although it's also added to homemade cosmetics, scientific research on these applications is lacking. So, this is all about variegated arrowroot plant. Please share with me how do you like this video in the comment section. If you like this video, then please press the like button, and to see more such videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.